Hello, today is a request from AS Systems. He wanted me to sound the 3202 on its own on full volume. It's very loud. I sort of fiddled around with volume settings on it, and there's a wee dial in the back of it, and it is incredibly loud. So what I'll do is I go into put it on evacuate tone, and I do warn you, it is quite loud. There you go. I'll put on an alert tone, although it's just went right at the menu I was needing. Oh, so I was about to go for the 3470. Sorry about that, got an interruption. Anyway, so I'll just sound both off and you'll hear how loud it is. There we go. So we'll clear I'll do a quick clear the display. That's it. So hopefully in the next test I'll have the panel mounted up, but so that's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to Adam's channel. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.